Hi, superstars. It is time for math, and we are on lesson 2-7, ordering numbers 0 to 5. You've already learned about the numbers 0 to 5. You are going to now learn the correct order for those numbers in this lesson. So when you write numbers in the correct sequence, you can use the word order to tell about the numbers. Let's see. Mubarak wants to use some cubes to show the numbers 0 to 5 in the correct order. How can he do this? All right, let's look at these cards here. We are going to write the numbers 0 to 5 in the correct order. So let's start here. 0. What's after 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the correct word order. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's see. What if I put 1 cube here? Which number card tells how many? It would be this number card, right? The number 1 is showing us that that is 1 cube, right? Let's see what we have here now. How many cubes do I have here? 2. So which number card is showing me how many cubes I have? This number card, right? It's the number 2. All right, let's see what we have next. How many cubes? 1, 2, 3. So which number card is telling us how many cubes we have? That is correct. 3. All right, I think you're getting it. Let's see how many cubes we have here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number card is showing us that many cubes? 4 is showing us that there's 4 cubes. Last one. This is a little taller tower, isn't it? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Which number card is showing us that number? Number 5. Good job. So now, what card is showing me 0 cubes? I have no cubes. So which card is going to show me that number? Correct, 0. Because remember, 0 means none, correct? Good job. Let's turn our page over. Let's look at our first box up here. What numbers do you see? 0 and 1. That is correct. Are they in order? Yes, they are in order. Let's look at our next box here. What numbers do you see? 0, 1, 2. What number do you think comes next after 2? What number should be here? 3. That is correct. Are they in order? Yes, they are. All right, now let's look at this one right here. What numbers do you see? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How do you know that they're in order? Well, as you're going to see down here when we look at these blocks, each number is one more than the one before it. So which number is it to the left of 1? So if here is 1, remember your right and left. Which number is to the left of 1? 0. Very good. All right, let's look at number 1. Okay. All right, I'm going to clear this really quick so I can move my paper up. Okay. Let's look at number 1 here. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to color the cubes to show each number. So here, what is this number? 0. So how do I show 0 with these cubes? Do I color any in? No, I don't. We're not going to color any cubes in. What's our next number? The number 1. So how am I going to show the number 1 with these cubes? What should I do? We should color this in. That is showing us 1. All right, let's look at our next number, 2. How are we going to show 2? We'll color 1 cube and 2 cubes. All right, do you see how there's one more cube? There was 1 here, and now we added another cube. That's 2. What's our next number? 3. So how many cubes are we going to color in? You got it, 3 cubes. Do you see how each one is 1 more than the number before? All right, what's our next number? 4. How many cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Color them in. All right, last number. 5. How many cubes are we going to color in? That is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can color them in. That shows us the number 5, 5 cubes. All right, notice each time we go from 0, there was no cubes colored in. Then we have 1. Then we have 2. We added 1. We add another one for 3. We add another one here for 4. And we add 1 more for 5. So each number in the correct order goes higher by 1 number. Okay? All right, let's look at number 2. Okay, so for number 2, all right, let's see. Let's move this up a bit. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to look at the vase. You're going to count the flowers, and then you're going to write the number. So look at the first vase over here. How many flowers are in it? 0, none. So we're going to write 0. Let's look at the second vase. How many flowers do you see? 1 flower. So we are going to write the number that tells us 1. All right, let's look at this one. How many flowers? 1, 2. So what are we going to write? The number 2. Can you count these flowers? 1, 2, 3. Let's write the number 3. All right, I kind of crossed over that one. How many flowers here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's write that number here, 4. All right, last one. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5. Very good. So you see, this is the correct number order. Now, number 3, you're going to count the cubes and you're going to write the numbers to show 0 to 5. So we're going to say the numbers in order from 0 to 5, and then we're going to go backwards and say them from 5 to 0. All right, how many cubes do we see over here? Do you see any? No, so what are we going to write? 0, because there's no cubes, there's none. All right, how about here? We see 1 cube. How many? 1, 2. All right, how many here? 1, 2, 3. Do you see how we're adding 1 cube each time we go higher? And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We added another cube. 4. Last tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes. So did you see how we kept adding 1 cube the higher we got? That is the correct number order. We just keep adding 1. All right, let's count it from 5 over here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And that's how we count from 5 to 0. All right, you're going to do another worksheet until I see you again, or until next time. I want you to have a wonderful day. Bye.